Welcome to Pythaverse, empowering the future of education. Discover how our co-create framework, Leanbot, and TwinSpace are revolutionizing learning for the next generation.
Traditional learning has always helped students grow, but now, it's no longer enough to keep them engaged. Students now rely on AI for assignments, but this dependence weakens their own learning and problem-solving skills.
It's time to shift our teaching approach by promoting learning by doing, to reignite curiosity and inspire students once again. Presenting Pythaverse Co-Create Learning Framework and Platform. At the heart of Pythaverse lies the Co-Create Framework, enabling collaborative, immersive learning by integrating digital twin technology, AI, IoT, robotics directly into the classroom for STEM learning by doing. Imagine a world where any school, regardless of its current resources, can instantly transform STEM learning. With Leanbot, this transformation is not just a dream but a reality. Leanbot is designed to teach students robotics, artificial intelligence, and the Internet of Things through hands-on learning experiences. It's compact yet powerful, making it the perfect tool for bringing advanced technology into any classroom. Leanbot engages students of all ages, from beginners learning block-based coding to advanced students mastering AI and Internet of Things integration. Through the stream with Robotics Pythaverse SWRP curriculum, students are immersed in real-world challenges and global problem-solving. The SWRP curriculum is more than just robotics. It's a complete stream-based learning system that guides students from beginner to advanced levels. With Leanbot at its core, the curriculum covers everything from block-based coding for younger students to advanced programming languages like C++ and Python for older students. Through each level, students not only learn technical skills, but also develop critical thinking, problem-solving, and creativity. From grades 1 through 12, SWRP provides a consistent, progressive learning experience, ensuring students are prepared for the technology-driven future. The curriculum is aligned with global competencies, computational thinking, design thinking, AI driving, and the sustainable development goals, making sure that every lesson has real-world impact and relevance. With our after-school program ASP, students further explore robotics, AI, and Internet of Things in a creative, hands-on environment. The Leanbot ASP curriculum offers 32 interactive sessions where students deepen their skills in programming, robot assembly, and digital twin technology, all while building teamwork, problem-solving abilities, and a passion for innovation. And what's a journey in robotics without a challenge? Every year, our Robothon competition pushes students to apply what they've learned in a real-world context. Whether it's tackling sustainability issues, solving community problems, or showcasing cutting-edge technology, Robothon encourages students to innovate and compete on a global stage. And don't worry if programming seems challenging. Pythaverse provides tools like Tutor, a 24/7 virtual assistant, to make learning and teaching easier.
Meet Tutor, the AI-driven tutor from Pythaverse, revolutionizing the way students learn coding and digital creation.
Let's solve this coding puzzle together. Tutor can explain the code for you and able to chat with you just like your teacher. Tutor can help you debug your code bug by bug and make sure you understand what the bug is before giving you corrected code. Tutor can also help you get the example code for a Leanbot function. Tutor can guide you to code Leanbot to do a task you want.
Tutor makes coding with Leanbot even more fun and accessible now. From beginners to advanced learners, Tutor is your companion in exploring the vast world of technology. Tutor from Pythaverse, advancing to empower tomorrow's creators.
Why choose Pythaverse? No upfront costs for schools, making it affordable to significantly boost student engagement. A comprehensive STEM curriculum aligned with standards, empowering teachers to deliver impactful lessons. Hands-on learning with real-world applications, transforming students from learners into creators. and continuous updates with AI and digital twin technologies, making teaching and learning more immersive than ever before. Pythaverse is your gateway to a future-ready education system. With the Co-Create framework, Leanbot, and TwinSpace, we're just getting started. Every day, thousands of students from hundreds of schools around the world are learning and growing with Pythaverse.
Malaysian stream robotics with Leanbot roll out nationally. In Malaysia, Pythaverse's Leanbot's after-school program is a game changer. Over 100 schools and 150 teams have excelled in the National Robothon Challenge, thanks to the around-the-clock accessibility of Leanbot learning. Philippines SWRP program integrating robotics, IoT, and metaverse into classroom. In the Philippines, Pythaverse aligns with Industry 5.0, bringing smart agriculture and healthcare into classrooms. Partnerships with Beta and St. Paul colleges exemplify a commitment to agile, data-driven education digital transformation. Vietnam's stream learning expansion. Vietnam's largest private school chain promotes one student, one Leanbot, ensuring personalized learning. Pythaverse's minimal investment stream labs are a testament to the platform's adaptability and efficiency. Immersive's courses like Maths in Metaverse, Build a City in Metaverse, Creative Imaginative in Metaverse show students' engagement increase drastically. Across these nations, Pythaverse's benefits are clear: accessible advanced technology, enhanced learning outcomes in STEM and global competencies, a commitment to schools' digital transformation. Let's hear the feedback from students in the Philippines. 81% think that after the course, students themselves will be more confident in approaching robotics and AI.
Join the movement, shape the future of creators with Pythaverse.